Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we're going to see how we can set up our project with just the Spring framework and not using Spring Boot. So till now, we were using Spring Boot to set up our Java project. So now we are just going to use the core Spring framework. Okay. We are going to be like performing dependency injections as our example. So first things first, create a new folder. Give it any name. I'll just give Spring DI, dependency injection. Okay. Open this folder, right click, open with code. Okay. So I'm going to provide simplest steps and the most easiest way you can going to do. You will be able to do this. Okay. The code will be very simple and the method also will be very simple. Okay. And we are going to be doing all the two types of dependency. That will be the three types of dependency: constructor, setter, and getter, and method injection as well. Okay, so I'll be providing you this in the description, so you can just see it from there. Okay, all right. So you have to create first form.xml. So I'll just go here, create form.xml. Okay, so what you're supposed to write in the form.xml file. So go to start, go here, yeah, open Maven repository. What we used to do in Spring Boot, we used to go to start.spring.io and we used to select our dependencies over here. Like, so here, instead of that, we have to go to Maven repository, search for Spring Core. Okay, go here, go to Spring Core, select any version you like. I'll just select 6.2.9 and click on Maven and download this. Okay, just copy this. Okay, and if you have not set up Maven till now, what you have to do? Okay, so open a new tab, type Maven, go to downloads, download the bin zip file, okay, zip archive, or you can download the source also, it's your wish. Download this, okay, I have already downloaded it. So as you can see, it's in my downloads. Right click it and extract it, okay. After extracting, this will be the folder will appear here. So copy this folder, copy or cut, go to your C drive and paste it over here. I have already pasted it, okay. Then go to the start menu, search for edit environment variables. Go to path, click on new or browse, go to this PC, go to C drive, Apache Maven, click on bin and click on OK. Okay, I've already added it over here. And to check if Maven has been installed, configured in your path successfully or not, open your terminal and type Maven MVN double dash version. So if you get an output like this, it means Maven has been successfully configured. If you don't get even after doing the adding it to the environment variables, restart your system, it will work. Okay, I'll close this. I'll close this as well. So I think I hope I'm clear with this. So you need to have Java, you need to have Maven. Okay. Okay, I've created the pom.xml file. We'll add the things later. Okay. Okay. Create source main Java com. Source main Java com, and after that example is given, right? Instead of example, I'll give DI, dependency injection. Okay. After that, under source, you have to create resources. So I'll create resources also. I'll click on main, click on resources. Okay. Under DI, I'll create main.java. Okay. After creating main.java, I'll create student.java, course.java, and teacher.java. Okay. Okay. So I've created all the four files, all the four Java files. So under resources, I'm going to create another thing called beans.xml. Okay. I've created all these things. Now, what you need to do is, first things first, go to pom.xml. You had gone to this Maven repository, right? Copy this. I'll open my Word document. I've already written it to make it easy for me. I've already written it. But for you, it will autofill. Okay, so don't worry about it. How will it autofill? You go here, type project, and wait for some time. If you type project, then XM, see, as you can see, everything has come automatically. I have not done anything. Okay, so if you click on tab, it will get added automatically. So you have to add your own dependencies here. And if you have any plugins, add the plugins over here also. Okay, so but as I have already written it over here, so I'll just copy it from here and paste it. Okay, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay, so but you have to wait. You have to wait for it to recognize it and autofill. Okay, so I'll save this file. Next, what you have to do is MVN clean install. Okay. So dependencies are down like specified. Yeah, I want this dependency, but I have to install it right into my system. So I'll open a new terminal. I'll wait for it to load and I'll paste it. MVN clean install. So let it install that the dependencies. All right, perfect. Now once this is done, what you're supposed to do is go to course.java. This is going to be a dependency and paste the code in. Okay, it's a very simple code. There's nothing complicated in this. So first I'll go add my package that is com.di. I'll paste this over here. Okay, I hope this is understood. It's very simple code, right? So I'm just using course string course name is a constructor. This I'm putting this dot course name is equal to course name and I'm returning it. Okay, and I'm displaying it at the end. Okay, it's very simple code. So let this error come. There's no problem in that. If I restart my VS Code, it'll come, the error will go away. Okay. Next, after that is done, I'll go to student.java and paste the code. I'll even apply my package as well. Package com. See, it will show this error. Don't worry about this. Once I reclose my VS Code and open it again, the error will go away. Okay. Again, teacher.java. So I'm explaining or I'm using actually all the dependency injection examples in one project itself. So it will be easier. Okay, so course and student. So student is retrieving the values from course. Okay, so that is one this thing injection. And teacher is just using setter and getter injection. That is the not an issue, right? Okay, now we have done course, we have done teacher, we have done student. Now let's go to the main file. Okay, before going to the main file, let's create beans.xml. Okay, this is quite easy as well. This also has auto complete feature. So if I just do this and this and XML and I type version, I'll wait for some time. See, as you can see, I've got an autofill functionality. So if I keep clicking on tab, it will autofill. Okay. See, and it has autofilled even the details. Okay. So I'll just for now I'll backspace and I'll copy paste my code. So it's the same. You can autofill this also. You're supposed to wait, but okay. Okay. Now I've done beans also. Lastly, main.java. I'll paste my code here. Package com.di. Okay. Now see, it has asked me to import. So I'll just click on tab. I'll just hold tab. Again, I'll do tab. So now these two errors are also gone. So now as you can see, in all the files, there is package.com.di. It's showing some error. What is the error? It is showing the declared package does not match the expected package. So what I will do, it's a very simple fix. Just close your VS Code and open it again. Now you're supposed to wait until you see Java ready. Okay. Okay. As you can see, I've gotten Java ready here. And if you notice, all that errors were coming, right? All of them are gone. And just three this warnings are there. So we can just ignore them for now. That's not an issue. Okay. Now all the things are done. Everything is set up. I'll just run my main application. Click on run. So it's launching. So you will get an output. Let me just let it load. You're supposed to have a lot of patience for this, okay? You're supposed to wait. You're supposed to wait for it to load. Only then you'll be able to use autofill and all the other features. See, as you can see, I've gotten the output called student enrolled in. Course name is computer science. Teacher teaches mathematics. So how did I get that? So I'm using constructor injection. So for student, I'm using constructor injection. So the student and course are related to each other. Okay. So they're using constructor injection. Teacher is a separate file which is using setter and getter injection, setter injection. Okay. So if I go to my beans.example, you can see here course computer science is shown and student is there, right? It is referring. So as you can see reference, it's taking course. And here property for teacher, I've given property name as this property name subject as mathematics. Okay, so that is the output. It was a very simple code, simple and easy to configure code. If you can do this, you have configured Spring Framework successfully. I hope it was understood by everyone. If you have any queries or doubts, feel free to share it in the comment section. I'll provide you with a solution. Okay. And this also will be that in the description. You can download it from there. Okay. Thank you.